Hi, I'm glad you made it here. I'm Kate, and I decided to film this trip so I have something to look back on when I hit 30 or so. Thank you so much, Taipei. And also a reminder that I'm this little but brave girl out here. So here's everything that went down in Taipei, Taiwan.
Good morning and welcome to Taipei, Taiwan.
Can I make sure this arm doors for everyone?
So hi guys, just arrived here at Taoyuan International Airport. So yeah, I'm just going to wash my face so that I can prepare to sleep. I'm just going to find a sleeping area outside. Good morning, Taipei. An update, so I'm sweating. Now finding my hotel. We'll get back to you once we get there. Just reached my first hotel here in Taipei. This trip isn't merely about leisure and having fun, but also I made sure to add in self-imposed challenges to it. I preferred to sleep at the airport lobby and then took the MRT 6 a.m. and then go straight to this first hotel. But I'll just be sleeping here for like 4 hours only, and then I'll be transferring to my next hotel in Simanding. So yeah, so this is the first half of day one. Keep in touch for the next. Let's just get back since I was stuck like 2 to 3 hours inside Taipei 101. I couldn't figure the way out, but luckily I thought of just consulting with ChatGPT, and yeah, I just got out from Taipei 101. Reached my hotel here at in Simanding. This is kind of like Shibuya in Japan. Transferred from Taipei 101 Road Center, going here in Simanding via MRT. I had so much fun exploring the MRT. I'll be doing a lot more tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'll be giving you a quick room tour here. So upon entering, this is the door. On the side, you have this navigation for the AC and others. I'm not sure how to configure that. And then beside the room, there's a mirror. Dun, dun, dun. Study table, study area. I super like the accent. Here's the bed. This is only a single bed, but this is already enough for me. A TV as well, and beside it is super cute clothing rack in which my leather jacket suits in it. Yeah. I have here my shower area. Here it's like a mini powder area. Look at the accents. Super well thought of. The toilet, which I presume I have no bidet. So this is the room. Very nice actually. It's day 2 here in Taipei. I'm just wearing a comfortable clothing, just sleeveless, which I don't normally wear when I'm in the Philippines. And then a brown skirt, which I bought from Thailand last April. And then opting for a comfortable shoes because yesterday I wore boots the entire day and it's very painful. So yeah, we'll be heading out again. You open now? Yes. For one only.
Okay. Oh my God.
You guys want to sit together?
Yeah, sure, sige. Ang saya naman. Akala ko hindi kayo bumaba.
I've never known someone like you. Tangled and stuck by you. Found the clue. Don't forget to kiss me, or else you'll have to miss me. I guess I'm stuck forever by the glue. Won't you?
I'm here from Cebu, so I took the green line going to Shenzhen.
Finding the right words to use for this song. I have you in mind, so it won't take so long. Never thought I'd find you, but you're here, and so I love you. I'm the one wanna say I've been stuck by the glue onto you. I've been stuck by glue right onto you.
I used the hotel. So yeah, instead of swiping the Easy card, I swiped the hotel room cards. Let me try it again. Oh, ang init.
I've never known someone like you. I've never known. I've never known someone like you.
We are arriving in the Shein district. That wide pink building in front of us is the Taipei World Trade Center.
Good morning, everyone. For today's itinerary, I have a tour going to Shifen and Jofen. This is the only tour that I booked for this entire trip, since I just want this to be, you know, very relaxing and not fast-paced, because the last time I went to Bali on the same month last year for my first solo trip, it's like almost every day I had a tour. I had a tour guide, so I need to catch up on the sched, and it didn't make me, you know, more immersed on that particular place and time. And yeah, for my scent for this trip, I bring with me my Carolina Herrera Good Girl, because I'm a good girl.
Okay, so for my breakfast, I just got this one from
family mart. So I'm in the queue and I'm looking at
So today we will go to Yeliu, 10分 and 9分.
Now I'm here at Yolo J Park. I actually met a friend who is from Canada, and after this trip she'll be heading to Hong Kong. I'm actually documenting this trip. Can you say hi? Hi! And tell something about yourself shortly.
Hi, I'm Eden. I'm from Toronto, Canada. This is my first time here.
So I'm trying some teas. We have like a tea tasting situation here. So today is the last full day here in Taipei. I'm just wearing a sleeveless from Uniqlo and then skirt, my overly used NB 530. So if I feel like I'm a tennis girl, my things are now ready. So let me just go downstairs and check out and then go ahead for the rest of my day. Is it done?
Okay, that's it.
Okay. So guys, there's something that I want to show you. Very, very cute. Ta-da! So I'm now here at Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. So I just hope that I can take a picture or a video somewhere here. I think hindi naman ata mag-cross sa load. Abangan nagpadakpat ko eh. My boss. Cute, cute! Just look how cute they are. You have Pikachu, Hello Kitty, Doraemon, Detective Conan. Ang dami kong gustong bilhin but I don't have any more space sa aking luggage. And I think, hindi ko alam anong laman din ito eh. Ramen ba? Currently, I'm here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Behind me, as you can tell, is the Da Xiao Gate. I'm not really sure if that's how you pronounce it. So, ano pala guys, umuulan dito, and luckily, this is the only day that it rained during my entire stay here in Taipei. And I'm actually glad na na-experience ko yung ulan sa Taipei. If you know what I mean. And then, I actually wanna go dun sa, I'm not sure if nakikita niyo, dun sa Liberty Square ata yun, but wala kasi akong umbrella. You don't have to go with me, so you go to Now, I'm at Ichiran Ramen. This is my first time, and hopefully I can get to experience the next one in Japan. Hey guys, it's so windy here. It gives me clear thoughts and you know my heart is just so full. Thank you so much, Taipei. Got my last drink here in Taipei. Bye bye Taipei. Just wanna say that self, I'm proud of you. You've done so much and you keep going. So yeah, on to the next.